Hello, so welcome again in our Excel 101 tutorial. So I will discuss today the conditional formatting. So in this case, I will create a color formatting for the 50 score of 50 and above and 50 and below. So I will just highlight these numbers, then go to conditional formatting, then manage rules, then new rule. I will discuss first the format all cells based on their values. So in this case, I will choose three colors like scale. So my lowest value is 0. Midpoint is I think 50. Then the highest value is 100. Then click OK, apply. So as you can see, um, my lowest score is 35, so that's why it's yellow, pinkish. Then scale until 75. So if you okay, so that's one of the conditional formatting. So um, edit rule. So what if I change it to icon sets? Okay, let's try the icon set. So in this case, I will just have the three color because the one that we use is um, scaling color, so it's fading the color. Now we only have three colors, so I just change this to number, so my value is greater than or equal to 50. Okay, so when less than or equals to 0, I think 40. Then click OK. So um, I have now the um, icon color. So what if I want the whole cell be colored? So I just need to edit this rule. I just select the format only as cells that contain. So specific text, okay. And oh, no, cell value. Okay, so greater than 50. So for example, I will just highlight the greater than 50. So I will choose green. Okay, then apply. Okay, so it's highlight the greater than 50. What if I want also um, to color the score of 50 greater than or equal to 50? Click OK. Okay, so it highlights. What if text, for example, X, X. Okay, so I just need to highlight the cell that contains the text. So in this case, I will change the cell value to specific text containing X. then okay, apply, and then it only highlights the specific text, which is the X. So that's it. That's the basic conditional formatting. Hope you guys learn a little bit. Thank you. Bye bye.